Previously
on Dlalangam.
Come on. Umahlaba ikhona man. Wena.
Nguchasta kangaka. Wena wagijima. Waya kuSusan wamtshela ukuthi mina ngutshele ngestatus sakhe. Lapha yime ngirong.
Listen, you were wrong in a way. Do you know that? Not in a way, actually. You were wrong. A secret stays between the three of us as friends. Hello? Yes, hi. I now know why I couldn't understand the information in the flash. Yes. There's a missing piece of evidence. Yeah, I'll get back to you. Let me figure it out.
Into nguphathelena girl.
Uyazi mfunani? Mfuna iweave echaya la.
Aha.
Hey, Charlie. Asivele no lezami.
Ngalum.
No lezami mana hle ngutshengisa ukuthi no lezami.
Hey, indlela ziyele. Lo tingana. Wena utingana? Utingana?
Hey,
Siphi? Ngiyacela.
Ngohlala phansi. Hlala phansi. Ngihlala phansi Susan.
Utingana?
Susan. Can you please hear her out? Ngiyacela.
Hear her out.
Yes, ime ngimbizile.
So ambizela nguluka.
Uzandluka. Can you hear her out?
Susan benzoxolisa. Ngaphambanisa kakhulu ngokudisclose istatus sakho kuSkhova. Ngongamelanga ngiyenze into enjalo akulala uthe ngalukhuluma khathi solunga justify ama actions ami. Awonthi lo Skhova siyasanda kuthandana. Obvious ayisathandana kudala. Kodwa khathesi besivuselela izinto sifusifile.
Ngisakhuluma. 2 Iflame yakho mase lithandana ukuthandana kwenu angikwazi ukuthi kunjani. Liza likhume ngestatus sami. Ikuthandana bani khonoko? Ikuthandana bani khonoko? Yasinanga.
Susan hlala phansi kuyini kanti? Ngihlala phansi.
Hawu. Kodwa uyamuzwa ukuthi uthini?
Hey,
uvuselela ama-flames wakhe.
Mana. Hawu, yini kanti? Awusandlaleli khathesi.
Awusandlaleli.
She said she was wrong. Guys, we've been friends for a very long time. Mina ngasixaxanisa into ezincane ezingaka. Okay, it's not. Okay, listen, I'm sorry. She was wrong. And she's admitting that she was wrong, auntie. That's why she came to apologize, auntie. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mgamam. Sorry. For you, I
love you as a friend. I take you as a sister. This is what you do. This is how you say thank you to me.
She said sorry, please. Don't understand it.
Sandra Nyamtanda.
Yes.
Sandra is my sister, but what she did is wrong. You are wrong, Mkanwam. You are wrong. I don't want to lie to you, and it will be hard to forgive you. But because
listen,
I wasn't going to forgive you, but
that's why it's because she's sorry. She was not even going to be here. Do you know that? She wasn't even going to be here.
Susan.
Sorry.
Susan, ngiyaxolisa. I didn't mean to.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
You know sisters make mistakes too. Ngiyaxolisa. I promise I won't do it in Jalo. That was so stupid.
Guys, you know what? We've been friends for a long time, for way too long. Or we cannot do this to each other. She was wrong. I promise you, if anything happens, if she ever does that again, I'll deal with her personally. Aunt, yeah. Aunt, so please, guys, we're sorry. We are both sorry. Aunt, your secret is safe with us.
Yeah.
Sorry, sisters forever. Okay.
Friends forever.
Forever.
Kasla Feeling pluma na makrut man Pela mini kasla Feeling skima bo makhas man
Afa shusha krem twala.
Yeah, mna shaka.
Khamba. Feru kathela uvela esipanini.
Yeah.
Nakubona yachuluka ntwana. Awugama phela sikakhoza ntwana.
Akakhoza.
Yeah.
Boss my kancane ama number.
Hayi zwana ntwana ngifuna njunele ispan la. Yachafa ikara yami ifatalele yachafa.
Okay.
Awugama phela sakhe ngikhona ukukhuluma naye na kanjani.
Hey. Akafuni nike.
Umnandi ngoba uyamcafa. Sobona ifoni yakho.
Ifoni.
Sure. Ukrend.
Na mna shaka.
Afaki namabhanti ebrugweni. Phila kanjani? Uzisa la. Siya so grand into ade ngifuna kuwe, that's why izinto bezisiba simple ungakhathali intwana.
Ngitelefoni ke.
Manje umphathele ifoni yami yadlula esipanini bukwazi mele udlule unchile ifoni yami. Wena fuck. Azisho vamos. Kwanja ifoni. Wena ntwana fuck. Cela ushift phuma esayidini la. Hlukane noSathane. Dona lezi phone bayizisa. Sinthola inamba zikakhoza manje ngizama zoflow upgrade. Na kanjani manje ngiceda ngizothola isikholwane ngale phone. Yini le manje?
Thanks for letting me sleep over table.
It's okay, babe.
Turn the table.
See, I have a confession to make.
I've fallen in love with Spiwe, and I made love to her. But I'm still keeping this secret from her. How do I do this?
Into ndinga la?
Hawu sister, hamba ungayenzani awungazi siswami.
Hayi, ngiyabuza kwethu ufunani?
Hayi phela ngizokubona la.
Sombona?
Ngizokubona, ngizokuthiwa uvula ifame ngama camera lapha.
So?
Phela ngitila netlist ngibuye phela ngizoba thwala ama camera senza lami
Kuphumele legend vele wena.
Leviki siswami. Ngikama apho la.
So ufuna ukuthengisa ama drugs akho kusethi yaman?
Hlukile siswami chili rubbish lana ansabambi mina into lezi. Sengawuba upastor mina.
Suka.
Hawu siswami.
Senzeni yakwazi thula?
Siswami. Ngiyambona njani? At least phela lami ngidinge phela okuncane ngibuye lami ngincengise kancane mangikhipha umntwana wabantu yabona ukhanye phela.
Senya ubona ukuthi lapho ufuna ukuzongiqabanisa nomngane wami?
Siswami. Ngaliphi siswami?
Udingani la?
Sister.
Awukambondo ukumbona sihlubuya kimi khona lapho ufuna uncedo
phela ntiyazi ukuthi lapha esigabeni inengani lisukumile lisele ngasama thina abafana.
Justin, mina angifuni ma drug dealers kusethi yami. Ufuna ungcolisa ibizo lami?
Ungaliphi siswami? Ngaliphi.
I don't even waste your breath.
Eish.
Justin, ngicela uhambe.
Njengenja.
Hayi, ngikohambe kai. Serious, ngicela usihambe. Ngikohambe. Ngikohambe.
Apatumuza.
Ezinkatha. So.
Leviki butasi yami bemphethe buchapha.
Kodulile madala pari ngiyabona uphelanga zisase grand into zakho ngithi.
Baba kubi.
Zwana ngifune ephozini lami uzophusha istaff since usuphansi.
Ansekho lapho.
Awusekho va.
Ansekho lapho.
Yini manje? Awusekho egemini wena?
Ngihlukile bese ngichilo.
Ukhamba? Zwana guys, kumele uzwakale kwesami ejardini ngugayi KG. Ukhona ukuyiphusha namajita, uzaphushana namajita abazokubonisa ukuthi kwenzakalani kunamalanga.
Mina ngichile lokana. Yazi ngendlela wangitreat ngara.
Uzoyeka kanjani igame ukwazi ukuthi kumele umphushele istaff mawuphandle?
Yazi test lami ibe yimvu msana.
Zwana guys, ayikho into ozoyenza mawungafrustana nsango umavutsetse. Kumele uhlale uwazi ukuthi kumele ubuyele egamini.
Ngiyazi ukuthi ngezinqatha but la uyazi ukuthi ish.
So ngitshela ukuthi awusafuna ubuyele egamini ntwana ukuthi siphushe lo mdlalo.
Angihlukile bra.
So ngitshela ukuthi just uyakhalala igame njalo nje.
Akubuhlungu.
Zwana manje ngeish gazi manje ungenzi so ngoba manje usifaka enkingeni yathola.
Ansekho.
Son phaphama son. Yeke ukwenza amasimba wena. Na kanjani uyafuna ukuyiphusha mbosa afuna untshela iAnswer straight. Ngoba lapha ngithola ukuthi uyakwenza kanjani.
Ansekho.
Awusekho.
Ansekho.
Zwana manje mawusenza so uzoba blind. Ne-OLED lakho ngizolenzela ama-flop. Even no-cherry wakho uzokwenza amaphupho akho onke engcosi nokuba nani kungabi khona yonke leyo nyakanyaka. Yanthola. Wena into mele uyenze mele ubuyele egamini. Na kanjani iweek ayiphele OLED lakho into enjalo necover ubuhata. Asikho smoke esophuma yonke into izoba clean emehlweni yami yanthola. Tshintsha umqondo wakho ubuye egamini yami siphushele idayideng. Asikho isikhathi sokukhuluma. Yes. Gwala danga.
Spirit. Mina. Washa ufuna material.
Material futhi.
Ngeke ngikuthuma kuma shops.
Asahamba ngema-shops kai.
Sha. Asipiwe kani?
Ngicela sesiyanikwa umsuzeni kai.
Abo. Ita fast.
bari babe ungenzi njalo. Ngitsho vele la ngeliwane nje uyishayele around ubangakhumbuli.
Ngibona benga waste imali yami ngibuya ngizobona wena nanti wazenzela.
Hawo, ngitsho umphathele even escape 10 cents.
Kunabade nanti yakwazi thanda lo.
Hawo babe ungenzi njalo. Mbona uThombando umngane wakho lo Thomba lo wenza kwamakhamera.
Okay, usiphiwe.
Benza amehlandla phela ngizama ukuthi yabo but manje nami ngikhaba empapela manje.
Usiphiwe vela ngeka spice berry sakho.
Yezwana be wena ngincengela phela phana since wena umngane wakho uyafika la lapha uzama at least sithola umnotho yabona sama ubalance izinto simelele amakosome lana wona mawuthutshalwana imali yana ngala karve akungitshela imali yana eTranscom yana iphuma nini.
Look bentshela izitori zangikhona azipheli. Ngizazama uyakhona mara azibethe uzantikela imali yokugada. Yefika ngizwe ukuthi bathini.
Ngaswila mina ngizabe ngena nje umjida bare benzama ukuthi ngichiye phela le riding le yesh. La uyazi ukuthi
vele kana shana lakho.
Fuba umfundisi. Ubona njani?
Fundisi.
Inefani man.
Fundisi.
Enyoke ukundela mina chisco yabona ngani
Hello. Hi, Mr. Zulu. Yes, it's Spiwe baby. Yes, sir. I came to your office and you were not around. Oh, is it? Oh, okay, sir. Okay. All right, I'll be waiting for your call then. All right, thank you. Bye. Come in.
Skibani.
Mwelo.
Yemi.
Even. Ucachenga?
Ade ngikhona.
Serious?
Bhayiza.
Ubhayiza sawini.
Kwabe ngithi ngizokutshela ukuthi uSkim talk khona phela.
Ngiyakwazi.
Usuzwe ngobani?
Ngimbonile.
Serious?
Ubuyile khona la? Ezokhuluma indaba zakhe ezinganqedakali.
Vele kwabo becelile ukuthi ngicelile ukuthi ngikhona ngicela ukuthi umzame shwa.
So wena ngozomcelela wena. Isigebenga sona lesiyana ufuna ukuthi usebenzele kusethi yami.
Hayi jwa akasechili into zama drugs lezi yana mtshelile ngathi into zama drugs no.
Ubuyile khona la. Esithi ufuna ukungincedisa mina ngami vele ngamtshela ukuthi hayi vela kuyenza. Vele ngeke ekhaya.
La
Kuthi ngakhomba isigebenga sona lesiyana
ngingasho ngicela umzambe nje abantu abantwana siyazibhayizela nje at least sesithola something njengoba vele asingela lutho kwabe besithi ngizwe futhi about iTranscom uthi awufa.
Hayi iTranscom don't worry.
Serious?
I'm getting the imali zengizazithola. I'm getting there. So just hang on.
Awusitsho nje mina sendini ube lokho enchicha shwa kunilindile.
So indaba yakho le yazi mina ngiconfused yazi. Ngiyamfaka eplanini le manje angabhayiza yalanda wena.
Uyasivela cause anti yini ngimcelile angizama ukuthi nje uyenze izinto sharp.
Yazi kungasuwe.
Ngizamtshela serious la ngithaya.
Kungasuwe.
Right. Lokana sendiyachane la kumna koza. Ayizwisisi into yakhe la. Yeah, thanks sure ngizamtshela.
Go sharp.
JB. Speak. Ukon JB.
Huh? Oh, yeah. Come on. Suku is my half sister and she's already slept with Jabu. Wait, Bella, tell me more. Wait.
Anzange ngibone into enjena. Uthando longithatha lwangivala amehlo ngabe isiphofu sempela. Anzange ngibone into enjena bo. Uthando lwangithatha lwangivala amehlo ngabe isiphofu sempela. Ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza kude ungikhumbuza kude